It is that time of the year when you're going to see the price of your cruise go up. And we're here today to talk about two price increases, one from Margaritaville and one from Carnival Cruise Lines. Chris here with High Seas Cruising. Welcome to today's video. And unfortunately, we are here to talk about price increases. We're going to have gratuity increases from both Margaritaville and Carnival Cruise Lines, and Carnival Cruise Lines raising the price on one of their drink packages. We're going to start off talking about Margaritaville. See, they've raised their gratuity rates to, well, honestly, one of the highest gratuity rates in the industry out there. For their standard staterooms, they've gone from $20 a day up to $22 a day. And for their suites, it was $24 a day. It is now $25 per day. Now, this does go into effect on February the 1st. If you have prepaid your gratuities, of course, you remain at the current rate. If you wait and pay them after February 1st, or when you get on board after February the 1st, you will, of course, pay the new rate levels. So, highly recommend you prepay gratuities if you're going to before the deadline. Now, yes, Margaritaville at Sea is a much less expensive cruise than the majority of cruises out there. But when compared to the other cruise lines, it does have one of the highest gratuity rates. Go ahead and throw this chart up here for you guys to take a look at. Now, of course, Carnival Cruise Lines, we're going to talk about that one here in a minute. That one actually has made an adjustment. But you can see Celebrity Cruise Lines is currently $18 per person per day. And this is just for standard rooms. This is not for suites. Cunard Cruise Line is at $14.50. Disney is at $16. Holland is at $17. Margaritaville at Sea is at $22. MSC is at $14.50. Norwegian is at $20. Princess is at $16, and Royal Caribbean is at $18.50 per person per day for a standard room. Now, one that's not on that chart is also Virgin Voyages. If you prepay Virgin Voyages, you can get it for $20 per person per day. If you wait and it's added to your onboard account, then it's $22 per person per day. You get a discount if you prepay on Virgin Voyages. So they're also really up there. $22 per day. Margaritaville at Sea at $22 per day, with Norwegian Cruise Lines being the closest right now, coming in at $20 per person per day. And the real question is, yeah, Margaritaville at Sea, I've heard wonderful things, great things. It's a great cruise. It's a cheap cruise. But is the gratuities really worth $22 per person per day? That's kind of be my question on that one. But they're not the only ones. Carnival Cruise Lines, they put out an email last night saying, hey, let everybody know we are going to be doing an increase in our gratuities as well, and an increase to the cost of our soda package, our bottomless bubbles package. All right, and directly from the email, it says, we are writing to let you know that we will be changing the price for bottomless bubbles for adults only. There is no price change for children, and adjusting the onboard gratuity guidelines effective April the 2nd, 2026, is outlined below. However, we will honor the existing price for both if purchased prior to the adjustment. So going into effect on April the 2nd. Again, if you already have a cruise booked and you have prepaid your gratuities prior to April the 2nd, you pay the old rate. If you book or prepay the gratuities after April the 2nd, you pay the new rates. So for the Bottomless Bubbles package, it is currently $9.50 per person per day, plus the 20% service charge. That is going to be increasing to $11.99 per person per day, plus the 20% service charge. Price for children 17 years and under remains unchanged at $6.95, plus the 20% service charge per person per day. For the gratuity changes, currently your standard stateroom is $16 per guest per day. Suites is $18 per guest per day. Is going up by $1. So standard staterooms will be $17 per guest. Suites will be $19 per guest per day. So not a huge jump in the gratuities. It's only $1 per person per day. And based on the chart that we saw earlier, it's still not the highest in the cruising industry. It's not $20 like Norwegian. It's not $22 like Margaritaville. For two people on a 7-night cruise, it's a $14 increase. I know people don't want to pay more. That's not somebody's favorite thing, but honestly, it could be worse. It honestly could have been worse. Now, the Bottomless Bubble package, that one is going up. Basically, it's $2.49 per person per day. And if you got a large family on board that's getting that particular package, yeah, that can get a little more costly on longer cruises. And I doubt this is going to be the last two cruise lines to make any increases. The last time Carnival Cruise Line raised their gratuity rates was in April of 2023. But what do you guys think? Are these price increases going to affect your upcoming cruise? Is the price change in the bottomless bubbles going to make you not want to get it, want to get it? Is it cheaper just to bring on your own 12 packs of soda and not have to worry about getting the soda while you're on board the ship? But I'm going to share a video clip with you guys. This is going to be from Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, John Heald. He's going to be talking about the gratuity price increase. Doesn't really mention the bottomless bubbles price increase at all, but he does talk about the gratuities. That way you guys can get the information directly from Carnival Cruise Line employee, someone who speaks for the cruise line. So take a look at this video.
So some of you may have noticed that last night we sent a advisory about a $1 per day increase with gratuities. Now, the last time we did this was April 2023. So now the gratuities go from $16 a day to $17 a day. Unless you're in a suite, it goes from 18 to 19. And this, of course, doesn't apply to Australia, where gratuities are already included in the price. Something perhaps one day, I don't know if we ever will, perhaps one day we will do here in the ship sailing from North America, but no immediate plans to do that before the influencers of the world say that we're not. I'm just saying, in Australia, it's already included. Now, there are, of course, some people I know who will jump all over this and the influencing world and give you completely false information. So let me just say two very simple things about this. Every single penny that you give the crew, whether it's prepaid gratuities at the new rate of $17 per person per day, or whether you have it charged to your account towards the end of the cruise, or if you withdraw your gratuities and give the same in cash, which some of you like to do, it all goes to the crew. There are people, some very, very good influencing people, and some who are definitely not very, very good, who say that it's paid something towards the crew's salary. That is absolutely not true. So I've repeated this over and over again. So that's the first thing. Every penny you give is kept by the crew, and thank you for that. Now, the second point I want to make whenever we talk about gratuities is that word, thank you. You know, when you give these gratuities to the crew, it is, of course, a personal thing. If you decide that a crew member is not worthy of those gratuities, that's up to you. It is still a very personal choice. But I'm so glad to say that it is only still a very small minority of people who do remove and give nothing. And, well, that's for you to decide. But to the 99% who take wonderful care of our crew, this is an opportunity whenever we do an increase, and we haven't had one since 2023, that I can say a huge thank you to you for everything you do for the crew. These crew members all have the same common denominator, and that is that they are not just looking after themselves, but they are creating a wonderful world, a better world, a healthier world for mum, dad, husband, daughter, children, relatives, and family. And so from here, my heart to you, as a crew member still, my crew number is still 109778. I say a huge thank you, a massive thank you, an extraordinary, Leviathan-sized thank you for all of you who give gratuities to the crew. They truly appreciate it, and I know they would, to a person, want me to say thank you for your generosity.
All right, and there you go. Directly from Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, talking about the gratuities, where the gratuities go, how the gratuities affect the crew members. If we see any other price increases coming up for any of the other cruise lines, we'll definitely let you guys know. But what are your thoughts on Margaritaville raising their gratuity rate to $22 a day? And what do you think about the price increases from Carnival Cruise Lines? Let me know in the comments below. And that is going to be our video for today. If you've enjoyed today's video, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.